People ask me all the time, they say, what is the best affiliate program? Listen, this one paid me $1,534,192. You want to learn what it is? Let's dive in right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison, and I am super excited in this video to talk to you about how I got paid $1,534,192, and I'm still getting paid even more from it. Listen, if you want to learn more from me, you want more videos like this, please click the like button below. Do me a favor, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because that will let you know as soon as I have awesome information just like this to share with you in the future. Look, we're talking about over $1.5 million that I was paid. And in fact, you probably saw the screenshot, but I'm going to go on and show you because I know there's a lot of haters. There's a lot of people that will say, no, he didn't really get paid that. So show my computer screen real fast. Here is a live preview inside of my account. Probably matches the screenshot you saw in the little thumbnail. You can see $1,580,000 is how much I have lifetime earnings, but this is how much of it I have been paid to date, right? $1,534,192 and a penny, all paid. So you can see, like, over the last 30 days, $42,746.91. Now the question is, how did I make this money? Okay, and the answer is through a simple affiliate program. But here's the thing, and that affiliate program is ClickFunnels. If you haven't heard of ClickFunnels, if you don't use ClickFunnels, what planet are you on, huh? Hello? If you're looking to build an online business, ClickFunnels is one of the best softwares, one of the most amazing softwares we've ever used as a company, right? Now, the way that I promoted ClickFunnels in order to earn these commissions is pretty unique. It's definitely different. It's not something that very many people have been able to do. And the reason is because I took an approach that's totally different from what other people do. Instead of placing ads and trying to tell people how great ClickFunnels was and getting them to buy ClickFunnels, what I did was I placed ads and told people, hey, listen, I'll teach you how to use ClickFunnels. I'll just be an educator. I'm just going to show you how to use this awesome software. Doesn't matter what kind of business you are, if you've got a consulting business or if you're a lead generation business or if you're an e-commerce business, like, ClickFunnels can work for you. And so what I did was I brought people in and I lead with value, okay? The interesting thing here, all right, and this is what's so very interesting, is that my churn rate, which is basically what you consider the cancellation rate, because ClickFunnels is it's a monthly recurring program, okay? So it's every single month people are paying for the software. And so what you'll find is a lot of affiliates make the mistake of promoting a product and never educating people on what it is that they just bought. So what happens is people buy, there's, all this new shiny object syndrome, like, yay, I'm making some money. And then guess what? They never use it, they cancel, and you never really make any money. The key to making good money as an affiliate is to lead with value, not lead with sales pitches, right? And so by leading with value, we reduce what we call our churn rate. Again, the churn rate is the percentage of people that are canceling on a monthly basis. In fact, let's show my computer screen real fast. Check this out. My churn rate is literally 0.033%. That is 0.033% of the people that buy ClickFunnels through me are canceling on a monthly basis. Check out my trial stick rate, 100%. That means 100% of the people that have trialed have turned into people who actually purchase and keep the software. All right, you can see currently I have 171 people that are trialing right now. Well, with 100% stick rate, I'm sure to add 171 more customers, which is an additional $9,274.80 per month, right? And $162,000 more dollars in lifetime value. So what this means is that I am doing the marketing the right way. Okay, so a couple of steps that I can give you. And again, if you love these videos and you love this information and you want to learn more, please click the like button, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and hey, leave me some comments, ask me some questions. I love to help. I read my comments every day. Hopefully you'll leave me some if you have questions. I think I got answers anyway. But the point is that in order to do this, there's a few steps. Step number one, find a good program. Find a good software. Find a good program that you actually use. I use ClickFunnels. I have something like 16,000 or something pages in ClickFunnels right now. So I feel good about promoting it. I feel good about telling people they should use it. And it's because I'm using it myself, right? So step number one is promote and sell what you use. okay? Step number 2, lead with value. Don't get caught up in all of the place an ad here and push them straight over here and sell them something thing, right? Truly educate people, give them the value that they need so they understand when they make a purchase of something, what they're really getting and why they really need it. And then step number 3, which I think is probably one of the most important, is continued education. Here's what that means. When somebody buys ClickFunnels and they buy it through my affiliate link, I am continuing to educate them every single week, like we're doing weekly trainings, on how to use this software, how to use the software to better their business, to help their business grow, to get them more leads and things like that. Well, if I'm using the software and I'm teaching them how to use the software, they're engaged. And engaged clients are always going to stick around for a longer period of time, okay? Think about, anything else that you use in life. For instance, a gym membership. Clearly, people will buy a gym membership, completely forget about it, and get billed for 6 or 7 months. And then eventually, though, they will cancel it. But if you are someone who's going to the gym every single day, okay, and you're actually using that gym membership, you're likely going to keep it, right? And so you're going to have a higher lifetime value than the person that doesn't use it and you're hoping people just forget about it and they keep getting billed. So what I do is I try to create that premium experience, that premium buyer, that person that's actually using what I'm selling or what I'm promoting. That way they continue to use it every month. They continue to get billed every month. I continue to create commissions and my commissions grow on a monthly basis, right? What you find with a lot of these recurring billing programs, if you're an affiliate, is you plateau. You'll climb like this and and I'm using completely arbitrary numbers, okay? So I'm not saying that you're gonna make this much money or anything like that, but let's just say you get to $5,000 a month. And then what happens is you're now doing marketing and getting new clients just to keep it at $5,000 a month because your fall off or your attrition rate, meaning the number of people that are canceling every month, has now caught up with the number of people that are signing up every month, right? And this is where you have so much attrition that you're not growing anymore. And that happens an awful lot in recurring billing programs because people are so caught up in just get more people into the program and not caught up in helping the people that are in there use whatever it is they bought and stay on board. So my advice is educate and help people when they buy these products so that they will stay. And what happens is your growth rate continues to go up. I mean, I'm earning an awful lot of money. I think it says that my monthly recurring revenue is somewhere near $13.32 a month right now. And it continues to just go up and up and up. But that's because when I make a sale, when I get a client for ClickFunnels using the methods that I'm using, that client sticks and it stays. So every time I'm adding new clients, my income is growing. I'm not just replacing people that are falling off, right? Look, affiliate marketing can be an awesome opportunity. It can be an amazing way for you to make real money on the internet, build a real business, and have massive success without having to do all the craziness behind the scenes, right? If you'd like to learn how to promote ClickFunnels, if you'd like to learn how to do what I'm doing, let me rephrase this. If you'd like to learn how to do the things that I've done, but I'm not in any way, shape, or form guaranteeing you 1.5 million or even telling you that you will make that much money. I am ClickFunnels, basically like their #1 affiliate. They've given me awards for this, all this kind of stuff. So I am on like a whole nother level. But if you'd like to just learn how I'm doing this and how to get started and the right ways to do it and how to avoid the wrong ways to do it, there's a link in my description for the Partner with Anthony program. The Partner with Anthony program literally lets you partner with me and lets me walk you through how I did this and actually work with you in doing it, okay? So I can work with you in starting your promotions of the ClickFunnels program, work with you in giving you actual assets and trainings that can be given to people after they purchase so that they don't cancel. So you actually build a real business. There's tons more information on that. There's a link right below this video in the description that you can check out for the Partner with Anthony program. It's super inexpensive. It's awesome though. And if you're new and you're beginning online and you want to build your first business, I think it's an epic way for you to get started and be able to do it the right way the first time. It's one of the most important things for beginners is that if you get into something and you do the wrong thing out of the gate, then what happens is you lose all your confidence, you're down the wrong path, and it takes sometimes forever and sometimes never do you get back on the right path. And what I want to do, and the reason I created the Partner with Anthony program, is honestly just to help put people that are beginning on the right path. And if nothing else, show you the right way to do things so that as you go out in this world and as you start to create your own business, your own income streams, that you're doing it the right way, right? And so if you're interested in that, there's a link again right below this video. Leave me some comments, click the like button, click the subscribe button, go ahead, turn on notifications. Next time I have a video, you'll get a notification, and we'll make sure that we keep you trained, keep you educated, and tell you the fastest ways and the best ways that people are building businesses and having success online. So I look forward to seeing you next time.